this video, we will learn about how to use Snip and Sketch tool in Windows. Often you work on computers and you feel need of taking screenshots. Say you're working on a document, or you're preparing a report, or you're reading an ebook or some important document and you want to share a screenshot of it with someone. So you take screenshot and then you immediately share it with someone. Most people probably take the screenshot of the entire screen and immediately share it. But there are tools available in Windows by which we can take better snapshots and can share it. So let's explore how to work with snipping in Windows. First of all, go to search bar and search for snipping tool. You will find this default snipping tool which gets installed along with the Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or below, then the snipping tool shows a message saying snipping tool is moving. So it is in fact asking us to download and try this Snip and Sketch tool. It is completely free and it can be downloaded from Microsoft Store. So I have already downloaded it and I opened it to the taskbar here so that I can easily use it. But let's explore how to use the Snip and Sketch tool. Go to Snip and Sketch tool and launch it. You will find that it has a very simple UI here, and you got a button called new. Using this new button you can launch the snipping mode. Click once and you will see that our entire screen area is going dim, and we see 4 options on the top. These are the 4 modes in which screenshot can be taken, and let's explore each one of them. The first mode is rectangular snip. If you select this one, you can select a rectangular area on your screen and the screenshot of that rectangular area will be taken. So let's try this on a document. So if you'll open a window, I want to take screenshot of this particular area on the browser. So the snipping tool, click new and select the first mode. Now go to the starting point, click and hold the right button of the mouse, then drag it and release the right key, and on release you will find that the screenshot is taken and the screenshot gets opened in the Snip and Sketch tool. You would notice an outline, a blue outline here. This is because in the settings you have set the outline option on. You can set it off and then you won't find the outline there. If you want the outline to be there, then you can enable it by putting it on. You can select the color of your choice, and the thickness also can be selected. You have a slider here. The thickness can be controlled from here. When it's done, you can come back. So this way we take screenshot using the rectangular snip mode. Let's try the other options available. So let's close this. Go to Snip and Sketch tool. Click new. And the second mode is freeform snip. The freeform snip mode allows us to take a screenshot by selecting a custom area on the screen. So say if you want to take a screenshot but you don't want a certain area to be part of it, so you can go for freeform snip. Even though it is rarely used, you select the mode, go to the area, click and hold the right key, and then draw your mouse the area which you want to include as part of screenshot. And once you are done, you can release the right key. It's a kind of cutout. So this way the freeform snip can be taken. Let's try the third mode. Go to Snip and Sketch, click new, and the third mode is window snip. The window snip helps us to take screenshot of different windows open on the desktop. For example, if you have this window open and you have additional windows open here and you want to take screenshot of any particular window, then you can do this by using the third mode called window snip. So once you hover over your mouse to any of this window, the window gets highlighted and screenshot of that window alone will be taken. If you bring your mouse on the notepad gets highlighted and the screenshot of the notepad alone will be taken if you click once. On clicking once, the screenshot is taken. It will directly open in the Snip and Sketch tool. Let's try the fourth mode of taking screenshot. Let's close this. Go to Snip and Sketch and click new. And the fourth mode is full screen snip. So this helps us to take screenshot of the entire screen, which need not be a selection. It doesn't give user any option to select a particular area. It by default takes the screenshot of the entire screen. So by just simply clicking it, you will take the screenshot of the entire screen. So these are the 4 modes in which screenshots are taken. Now let's explore the various tools available here and how we can do a little bit of editing before sharing it to someone. Let's close this. I'll take a fresh snapshot. Go to Snip and Sketch, click new, click the rectangular snip and take a snap, and it will open in the Snip and Sketch tool. We have 3 types of pen available here. The first one is ballpoint pen, so you can draw lines. The second mode is pencil, and the third is highlight. So we can use these tools to draw or highlight certain text. So let's try each one of them. There is a drop down available here on selection that helps us to select a particular color or size of that pen. So I can select a custom color as well as the size of it. I can use my mouse to draw lines. So go to the starting point, click and hold the right button of the mouse and drag your mouse. So this way you can draw lines. You can highlight any text which you want. You can use the pencil also. The effect is little different, as you can notice. And highlighter, you can apply highlights also. So this way text gets highlighted, but doing this in a free form using mouse without any tool might not look much professional, and the lines are not even and straight. So first let's delete and try it in a different way. So go to eraser and erase them all. Go to the ruler, click the ruler button, and you will notice the ruler is appearing on the screen. Now you can use this ruler to draw straight lines. So place your ruler where you want to draw the lines. To move the ruler, click and hold the right button of your mouse, and then move your mouse to place the ruler anywhere you want. Select the pen which you want to use, and then go to the starting point, click and hold the right button of your mouse, and then drag your mouse to draw straight lines. So this way you can draw straight lines. This look much professional compared to drawing with free hand. You can also adjust the angle of the ruler and draw vertical lines or the diagonal lines or the tilted lines. To change the angle of the ruler, place your mouse pointer on the top of it, then use mouse wheel to adjust the angle. So say in this case you're going to draw a vertical line, so you can adjust it to 90 degree, and then place your ruler anywhere you want. Then select the pen, and you can also select the color and size of your choice. Then go to the starting point, but keep it on the edge and not on the top of the ruler. Click and hold the right button of the mouse key, then drag your mouse to draw the line. So this way you can draw lines. If you want to draw tilted line, you can also adjust the angle. There is one more option available here called protector. Protector helps us to draw semicircles, circles or curved lines. To control the size of the protector, first place your mouse pointer on the top of it, then move your mouse wheel to adjust the size. First place your protector where you want to draw lines, then select the pen, go to the edge of the protector, click and hold the right button of your mouse, then drag your mouse around. So this way you will be able to draw curved line or circles or semicircles. You can also deselect it so that it doesn't appear on the screen. There is a crop button available here. If you want to get rid of the unnecessary extra part around your snapshot, or say you want to get rid of the outline, then you can use the crop tool. Click the crop tool, then adjust the 4 points available on the edge. And once you are done, you apply this or press the enter key, and then you would notice that the unnecessary part which you are not selected is gone. There is a button available here called eraser, and in the drop down it gives option to erase all inks together. If you want to erase them individually, you can do so. You have to simply select the eraser, then click and hold the right button of your mouse, and then move your mouse pointer to erase the inks. So the ink which come in contact with the mouse pointer will get erased. Once you are done, then you can release the mouse pointer. So this way you can delete the inks individually instead of deleting them all. There are other options like zoom. You can zoom your snapshot. So sometimes you want to have a close look to this, or sometimes you want to draw something very closely. You can save your snip, you can copy the snip to the clipboard, or you can share it with someone. There are additional options available in the 3-dot menu. If you click on the 3-dot menu, it opens. You can open an existing file, you can open your existing snapshot with any other application, you can print the snip, and there are few settings available which you can explore. The important one is snip outline. You can select the outline color and thickness, and if you don't want the outline around your snip, then you can deselect this so that there is no outline around it. There is a shortcut available to take snapshots, that is Windows Shift plus S. Even if you open the Snip Sketch tool, you would notice that it is showing a message that there is a shortcut way by pressing the Windows Shift plus S key to launch the Snip Sketch tool without launching the Snip Sketch utility. So if you take a snapshot using this way by directly launching this snipping mode, then the snapshot taken will be saved to the clipboard, but it will not open in the Snip Sketch tool. So you will not be able to do directly any kind of editing to it. You have to save it, or you have to paste it from the clipboard to some other application and save it first, and then you can open it and then do some editing. But if you launch the Snip Sketch tool and then take a snapshot, then the snapshot will directly open in the Snip Sketch tool so that you can do some editing and then share it. You can also set a shortcut. It's a 3 key combination shortcut. You have to press Window key plus Shift plus S to launch in the snipping mode. But you can also set a 1 key shortcut to this, and to do this you have to go to settings, Then go to ease of access, go to keyboard, and here the print screen shortcut, it is set to on. If it is set to off, then the print screen key will not work as we expect. But if it is set to on, then you can directly enter the snipping mode by simply pressing the print screen key. So we can try this, and you directly come here. If you take a screenshot in this mode, since you didn't launch the Snip and Sketch tool, the screenshot taken is directly copied to the clipboard. But if you launch the Snip and Sketch tool and then try taking a snapshot, it will open in the Snip and Sketch tool so that you can do some editing.